Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 8.1 Pro on your PC or laptop guys. So watch this video till end. I will show you how to do that. So guys, first you need to create a bootable ISO image. So to do that you need to download Rufus from its official website, and then what you need to do is you need to download the Windows 8.1 ISO image and then open Rufus app, Rufus software, and then select your ISO image and your Windows file, and then insert your pen drive on your computer, and that will detect, and then click on start button, and then it will be started guys. So download Rufus and you need to do that. Okay, and then restart your computer and enter your BIOS. So I am doing here as like this. So be sure to subscribe my channel guys. So if you having any problem, comment in the section. If you are having any problem, you can feel free to comment down, and like, share and subscribe guys. Again I am telling you that download Rufus and download the Windows ISO file, and then select the ISO file on the Rufus and insert your pen drive, and then click on the start button. It will be started. So please guys, subscribe my channel if my video helps you, and if you like our video you can subscribe our channel. Now shut down your PC. One thing you can do, you can write down your C drive C's storage capacity, and then that will be helpful to format your computer. After shutting down, what you need to do is you need to turn on your PC back on, and then press F2 or any of the BIOS key which your laptop is having. Press the BIOS key and enter to the BIOS. In my case, my BIOS key is F2, so I am pressing here the F2. My keyboard is not working here, so I am inserting my keyboard and pressing F2. Yeah, I am in the BIOS screen, and now what you need to do, you need to go on the BIOS section, a boot section, and then CD drive BBS properties, and then select your pen drive right there. Okay guys, hard drive BBS properties, select your pen drive. In my case I have Toshiba trans memory 8GB stick, and then go ahead and save changes and exit. And it will tell you to boot from boot. As you can see here, it will ask you to take boot from USB. And here I have loaded my Windows 8. There you will ask for boot from USB. Press any key, and then what you need to do, you need to select here your language, your region. In my case I am living in India, and then press install now, and setup will start soon. I am forwarding the video because video will be lengthy, so I am forwarding the video. In your case, keep patience. It takes about 2 hours to 2 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes to take. And then now what you need to accept the terms and conditions and accept and custom, and then what is your drive's capacity and select that and format that. So because I was telling you to do that because you will see your system properties and then click on next, guys. And this process takes you something like 40-50 minutes. And now it's installing updates. It takes a lot of time. So guys, I am forwarding this video, so don't think that your PC will be formatted in few minutes. It takes about 1 hour or 30 minutes. And now click on restart. And now pull out your pen drive from the computer, and your PC will restart automatically, and it will do everything automatically. You don't need to do anything right now. It will do everything automatically. Just wait here. And this process takes about 30 minutes. Here you will see devices ready, getting devices ready, 100%, 0%, anything. There are pretty much many things which you will see on this. And now select Windows 8.1 and getting ready. And again your computer starts and it will restart several times. And now enter your PC name which you wanna enter. You can enter by your preference, as I am entering here Techie Richard, and then next. And then use Express settings. You can customize also. And now enter your name here. As I am Ujjwal, so I am entering Ujjwal, and next, and you will see a screen like this. And now this process takes 30 minutes. Your screen's color will change for 30 minutes. So guys, be sure to subscribe, like and share, guys. And if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, ask in the comment section down below. Getting your apps ready, this process takes a lot of time, guys. And here is almost ready. Let's start. I am forwarding the video. Please hit the like, share and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.